Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide your Facebook story from some people. So, in order to do this, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then, once you have landed in the menu, click on this settings gear option icon. Here, under the settings and privacy, scroll down until you see these stories option. Click on the stories option, and here you can see the option which says who can see your stories. Simply click on it and it will give you a variety of options. Now, if you want to hide your story from some friends, simply click on this friends accept button right here. And then what you need to do is simply choose those friends from whom you want to hide your story. So for example, I want to hide my story from these two particular accounts. So I have selected them. Then once you have selected them, simply click on this done button right here. Now here you can see that their name is also appearing right here, and they will not be able to see your story until and unless you change this setting. Then simply click on the save button right here and it will give you a warning. Simply click on the save button again and you are all set. Now that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.